Hey, welcome back to Paul's Projects. In today's episode, I'm going to work on organizing this mess. I don't have a lot of places to put some of this stuff, so I got a cabinet that I'm going to put together so I can store some stuff. I'm going to go through and label and reorganize a bunch of this stuff so it's easier to find. I recently got this pegboard that I put up, so I need to work on putting some more stuff up here and getting a little more organized. So that is what I'm going to work on today. Okay, I've got some old PC cases here that I'm going to repurpose. So I'm going to take these out, and then from there I can put in the cabinet that I built. While I'm down here, I'm going to get this outlet up off the heat register. And I got some label paper and printed off a list of the components that I know that I have so that I can label the bins that they're in, and then that way it's a lot easier to find what I'm actually looking for. Don't ask why I have so many buck converters. Hey, thanks for watching this project. Pretty much well organized. I've still got some drawers that I can still use for some other things, and I need to make a couple of extra labels, but other than that, it's pretty much done. And I haven't really found anything else that I could put up on my pegboard yet, but I'm sure that'll come to me as I get more things and trying to place them where they need to go. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more of these types of projects, and I will see you guys in the next one.